Hey there, folks. Welcome back to your favorite morning digest, Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, ready to dive into yesterday's market highs and the simmering anticipation for the Federal Reserve's next move. So, here's the rundown. Wall Street had quite the day on Tuesday, folks. The Standard & Poor's 500 shook off any hesitations early on to clinch a new record high, closing up by nearly 0.6%. The Dow Jones wasn't far behind, surging 0.8%, adding more than 300 points to its glory. And the Nasdaq? Well, it advanced almost 0.4%, with Nvidia leading the charge after dropping some AI knowledge at its developer conference. Now, all eyes are glued to the Federal Reserve. Their two-day meetup that kicked off yesterday is the talk of the town. With inflation's recent curveballs, the big question is, what's the Fed's game plan? Rates are expected to stay put, but the intrigue lies in the dot plot. It's like reading the tea leaves for any hints of rate cuts this year. We'll all be on the edge of our seats until Wednesday afternoon for that policy decision reveal. Meanwhile, over in Japan, they're making moves. The Bank of Japan waved goodbye to negative rates, hiking them up for the first time in 17 years. Talk about making headlines in a week already brimming with central bank drama. And let's not forget about Bitcoin. The crypto giant took a bit of a tumble, falling over 5%, and it brought some friends along for the ride. Coinbase and Marathon Digital felt the ripple effect, both seeing dips. In corporate news, Unilever is stirring things up, announcing job cuts and a spin-off of its ice cream biz. That's one way to shake things up, and investors seem to eat it up, with shares popping in response. That's the scoop from yesterday's action-packed session, folks. As we await the Fed's words of wisdom, remember, it's all about staying nimble in these markets. I'll catch you all tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Cheerio!